Want to change the ringtone on your Zeidler in-house telephone? It only takes a few button presses. See for yourself. With the handset on the hook, hold down the mute button for 3 seconds. The set ringtone will sound. Now repeatedly press the mute button until you reach the desired volume. Save this volume by pressing the button for 3 seconds. For a different melody, enable program mode. Press both the door open and light buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. The current ringtone melody will play. Repeatedly press the mute button until you reach the desired melody. Save this melody by holding down the mute button for 3 seconds.